What is SAP? SAP is the market leader in enterprise application software, helping companies of all sizes and in all industries run at their best. 77% of the world's transaction revenue touches an SAP system. Founded in 1972, the company pioneered enterprise resource planning software, known as ERP, setting the global standard on how to manage operations and helping organizations do more with less. Since then, we've grown from a small 5-person startup to a multinational enterprise, with more than 100,000 employees and over 440,000 customers in 180 countries. SAP is in the business of helping companies become intelligent enterprises. By connecting experience with operations and advancing breakthrough technologies like machine learning, Internet of Things, and advanced analytics. We're driven by innovation and are now the #1 cloud business software company in the world, fulfilling our utmost purpose to help the world run better and improve people's lives.
Welcome to Dynamics 365 Essentials for IT. Whether you're looking to adopt business applications or have existing CRM and/or ERP systems in-house, or maybe you're using cloud-based services or both, in the next few minutes, I'll give you an overview of Dynamics 365, our business application platform in the cloud. I'll explain the components, the underlying architecture, the integrations for your existing data, apps, and business processes. And I'll cover top-of-mind questions regarding data governance, security, compliance, and more. So let's first start by addressing what Microsoft Dynamics 365 is. You can think of Dynamics 365 as a set of connected, modular SaaS applications and services designed to both transform and enable your core customer, employee, and business activities. Not only does it combine CRM and ERP capabilities, but Dynamics 365 integrates your data, business logic, and processes. For example, this is the difference between having separate, siloed sales and marketing functions versus creating automated, integrated, and intelligent sales and marketing capabilities that efficiently connect, prioritize, and convert your sales leads into paying customers. It's built on Microsoft Azure, which offers both a trusted platform and a broad ecosystem of services. And it's natively integrated with your familiar productivity apps in Microsoft 365, which also gives you a unified way to manage users and services. Together with Microsoft 365 and Azure, Dynamics 365 offers a dramatically updated experience, which is unified, adaptable, intelligent, and modern. Central to Dynamics 365 is the Common Data Service and its Common Data Model schema. This provides a foundation for data integration across all Dynamics 365 applications and services, productivity and collaboration apps in Microsoft 365, as well as your in-house and even SaaS applications in other clouds. More on this in a moment. The applications within Dynamics 365 are adaptable to your business, as well as your specific departmental needs. Our goal is to meet you where you are, and we've designed each application to work great on their own so that you can decide which to start with, and at the same time, each is designed to work even better together. This adaptability also extends to how your users want to work. The apps in Dynamics 365 follow responsive design principles and are browser-based. They're accessible from anywhere on any device, and there is also a rich array of mobile apps available. Your users can choose to work in email or in Microsoft Teams, enjoying an integrated experience with Dynamics 365. And as an IT professional, you still have ultimate control over how the services and applications are configured to meet your business and security needs, with the admin tools that we provide out of the box. Also, you can use the Microsoft Power Platform to build custom and automated experiences around your data and processes using Power BI, Power Apps, and Power Automate with zero to minimal coding. This has the added advantage of allowing even your users to safely build custom app experiences on their own by leveraging the point-and-click app creation experience in Power Apps that's similar to building a PowerPoint, and the visual workflow engine in Power Automate. Importantly, built-in intelligence allows your business users to derive fast and actionable insights, which can be optimized even further with additional AI services built on Azure, or by leveraging purpose-built AI insights apps like Customer Insights. Also, Power BI gives you a powerful data visualization and analytics tool, and you can use AI Builder to apply machine learning to improve your business insights and processes. You can then go the next level by modernizing how your business interacts with applications by visualizing insights in real-world scenarios through the addition of mixed reality. For example, you can scale on-the-job training to help your employees get hands-on guidance to improve their skills with Dynamics 365 guides. Now, as a technical decision maker or influencer for your organization, business value aside, you might be wondering what all of this means for how you run your IT and business operations today. If you're coming from on-prem, operationally, there are lots of advantages to adopting a SaaS solution in terms of reducing your infrastructure costs and access to the continuous innovation offered with Dynamics 365. And as you entrust your business to us, we give you visibility into overall service performance affecting your tenants and auditability over activities and the services that you adopt. You also get to decide what systems and data you would prefer to stay on-premise versus moving them to the cloud. I'll share more on systems integration and how we help in a moment. First, let me address some of the areas where you may have questions. Let's talk about availability. Because Dynamics 365 natively runs on Azure, it benefits from Microsoft's expansive cloud fabric and data centers globally. To give you peace of mind, we operate our services to meet a 99.9% level of availability. You can learn more at aka.ms/D365SLA. And if your users are spread across different locations, you can host your Dynamics 365 services and your data in preferred data center regions around the world in proximity to your users to reduce latency. In terms of security and privacy, it's your data and you own it. We don't mine it for marketing or advertising. Importantly, we give you granular admin controls to define individual access or security groups. And you can also specify access rules within the specific fields used in our app experiences to remove sensitive information from view and, for example, to set read-only access. Equally, we give you encryption options. For example, you can use your own encryption keys to protect data from unauthorized access, viewing, or export. And as you add users to Dynamics 365 services, and if necessary, connect with your existing directory services, you can take advantage of identity-based security with Azure Active Directory to implement single sign-on for users across applications, portals, and services, as well as multi-factor authentication and intelligent conditional access policies. Now let's talk about compliance. As you would expect, Dynamics 365 is GDPR compliant and supports major global, government, regional, and industry regulations. The services within Dynamics 365 comply with applicable data protection and privacy laws and are built from the ground up to address your most rigorous security and privacy needs. With our compliance framework of industry-verified controls built into the service, we make it easier for your organization to both comply to existing standards or respond to new standards and regulations as they arise. That said, this is still an area of shared responsibility. As a customer, you can use our Service Trust Portal and Compliance Manager to assess your current state of compliance, learn about recommended controls to implement against a specific regulatory requirement, and identify which controls Microsoft has in place or is working on. To learn more about Dynamics 365 security and compliance, you can download the guide at aka.ms/D365 security compliance. Of course, one of the biggest questions for most of you will be, how does Dynamics 365 integrate with your existing environment? Let's revisit the common data service that I mentioned earlier. Data is arguably the most valuable business asset you have, yet spread across applications, departments, and services. Many data and compute services have data and logic capabilities that are disjointed from each other, and this often requires you to build unique data and logic stacks for each application. And because of this, it can be a challenge to build integrated experiences or even analyze the data across the apps. This is where the Common Data Service, or CDS, comes in. Using CDS, your apps and processes can interact with a single set of data shapes and business logic. Let me explain. CDS is a heterogeneous storage service for both structured tabular data and unstructured data, such as images or log files. It runs in Azure, and it's shared by Dynamics 365 applications, Microsoft 365, and the Power Platform. CDS understands the shape of your data, and it even understands how to best store different types of data. It will automatically place image assets in blob storage and text strings in tabular data. For example, it will shape phone number data into a specific type of text string that might be used for making phone calls. Then beyond the shape of your data, CDS also understands the business logic over that data. Here, CDS will aggregate values and associated activities. For example, in the case of a customer, it might maintain related relevant data for that customer. including minimum, maximum, average transaction size, and the sum total. To support a consistent way of shaping and connecting your data, we've open sourced the schema we use in CDS. This is the foundation of what we call the Common Data Model, or CDM. The Common Data Model defines entities, attributes, semantic metadata, and relationships to provide consistency in how data is defined and connected across your applications. And our partners across industries like healthcare, retail, financial analytics, education, and automotive have helped extend the CDM with industry-specific common interoperable schemas. The CDS is also a powerful source for analytics that you can integrate with other data sources. Using Power BI data flows, you can also export data from CDS into an Azure data lake or even your own preferred location for analysis. Conversely, you can transform your data into CDM form using Power BI data flows, making it ready for CDS or other services to access. Then, to integrate your systems and business processes with Dynamics 365 and the Common Data Service, there are hundreds of pre-built connectors covering popular data platforms and apps to allow you to connect to your existing systems for both read-only processes, such as one-time batch operation, and read-write communications, such as order fulfillment. These connectors take care of which app APIs to call, how to authenticate, and how to pass data back and forth between applications with shared workflows. This now makes it easier to query, interact with, and exchange information, whether that's Dynamics 365 data or data within your Office collaboration tools, internal databases, or even external systems such as Adobe and SAP, or maybe professional and social networks such as LinkedIn and Twitter. You can also create your own connectors for your internal apps. And if you'd like more granular control, Microsoft Azure provides the developer tools and language of your choice to do more custom development. So what's next? As you consider how to enable your business transformation and a connected, intelligent business application strategy that spans each department and organization, Dynamics 365 provides a complete technology stack across applications, services, and tools, all of which are designed to work better together. You can leverage your investment in Microsoft 365 with native integration. And with our available connectors and the Power Platform, you can create custom app experiences and automate processes in a far more accessible, connected way in a fraction of the time, all with zero to minimal code and less risk. That said, help is at hand if you are migrating from existing systems or need more help integrating custom or third-party apps. With our fast-track onboarding services, along with our authorized partners, we can work alongside your internal teams to maximize your onboarding success and minimize time to value. You can find out more at aka.ms/fasttrackdynamics365. And please keep checking back to our Dynamics 365 Essentials series to learn more about adopting specific Dynamics 365 applications and services within your organization and for a deeper dive on the Power Platform. Thank you for watching.
Odoo is an open-source ERP software system that makes tools for CRM, accounting, e-commerce, manufacturing, sales, and more. If you're in the market for an ERP solution, you'll definitely want to consider Odoo. But if you need to find a solution fast, use our product selection tool to get a free shortlist of ERP software recommendations. Click the link in the description to get started. Odoo is an ERP system that offers a number of different apps to help you run your company. Whether you need to boost sales, streamline operations, build a website, or plan employee schedules, Odoo makes apps to power your business. You can start with a few modules and add more as your business grows. All Odoo apps integrate seamlessly with one another, and you can select from hundreds of different community-built apps to integrate Odoo with third-party systems. Odoo ERP includes an all-in-one human resources solution that enables you to centralize all your HR information so you can manage your employees successfully. You have complete control of information, such as overview of department information at a glance, detailed and sensitive information available only to HR managers, a public directory for all employees, and even alerts for new leave requests, applications, and approvals. Opt to track attendance and generate statistics to analyze timesheet trends and performance, and manage employee leave and time off with automated approvals and calendar updates. Other benefits are streamlined expense management with its integration to accounting and an easy-to-implement employee evaluation system. It also comes with recruitment and social tools. Odoo ERP gives you accounting tools that help you save time while you grow your business. You can sync your bank statements with your bank automatically or import your files. The system lets you create professional-looking invoices, manage recurring bills, and track customer payments. Manage bills and expenses while you automate most of your reconciliation process. The accounting app comes with features that let you receive payments online. You can also send reminders to your clients by setting up and automating follow-ups. Odoo ERP has a built-in reporting tool so you can generate reports to view your earnings, balance sheet, or cash flow. Your accounting module also integrates with other tools such as expenses, inventory, POS, and sales. Using the Odoo Customer Relationship Management System, you can customize dashboards and generate real-time reports to get insights. You can also create sales scripts and schedule activities based on them. Automation tools allow you to capture information directly from opportunity sources like web pages, email, and others. Track your sales performance in real time and engage your customers better with messaging, call logs, and file sharing tools. The CRM integrates with more than 30 regularly updated main applications and thousands more from third-party developers. Together, Odoo ERP apps cover a wide variety of evolving business needs. You can improve your operations further with apps for inventory, procurement, manufacturing, help desk, or field service. There are many pros of Odoo ERP. Here are a few of them. Odoo ERP is intuitive and easy to use. It has been adopted by over 4.5 million users worldwide with different technical levels who found the solution easy to use. They access the software and integrate it with other apps without maintenance concerns because of its regular updates and smooth operation. Since ERP solutions are primarily built for enterprise users, the modular characteristic of Odoo ERP allows businesses of all sizes to implement an ERP solution with only the apps they need at the moment. This lets businesses avoid the big initial expenses typical of ERP implementation while also supporting growth with tightly integrated apps. Odoo ERP has steadily grown since its early open source days when it launched in 2005. As more apps are developed and become available, some users complain of difficulty finding complete documentation of all apps in one centrally located resource hub. This makes it challenging for new users who have to hurdle a steep learning curve to use the system. Also, depending on location, customer support is not as responsive as it could be. Still not sure Odoo ERP is right for you? Use our product selection tool to get a free list of the best ERP software recommendations for you. Click the button on the left to get started.